how to fix sound on Twitter on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix sound on Twitter on any Android phone. First open Twitter and then just click on your profile and now click settings and support and click settings and privacy, and here you will find your settings. Now all you need to do just click this one, accessibility, display and languages, and here you will find display. Click on it, and here all you need to do just sound effects. Here you will find it, just allow it, and if that doesn't fix your problem then go to settings and apps, and then apps again, and now just type Twitter and click on it and click here for stop and then clear cache. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.